So this is the hair and eyelash brush I'm going to be showing you guys in this video how to use. You can go ahead and grab this brush for free from my Gumroad. I will link it down in the description box below. Now let's just get started. The first step is going to be create a basic shape for the hair chunk. So if you are drawing full hairstyle, start adding these hair strokes on the whole hairstyle like this. This is going to be the step number one. It's really easy this way to actually go ahead further in the process. Next step is to add base color, as in you're going to create a new layer, place it underneath where you have created basic shape for the hair, and add this color with the softer brush to create a base for the whole hairstyle, because the hair or hairstyle cannot look see-through, I guess, so that's why we have to have some sort of base color in here. Next step is very easy. Just erase anything which is spilling out of the shape with an eraser. Obviously just make sure you're cleaning it all up. In the next step, we are going to be adding shadows, but with the help of this brush only, with the help of the hair strokes, so that it looks that it's a part of the whole hairstyle. Okay, so I've picked up a dark color, and I'm adding these hair strokes wherever I think I should be adding some shadows. Now once you're happy with the shadow part of it and the base part of it, now is the time that you pick the original hair color you wanted to go ahead with. So in this case, I'm gonna be picking up this really light yellowish and orangish kind of color. I'm gonna be using my brush to add this color and cover the majority of this hair chunk, because I want this hair chunk to be in this color specifically. So that's how it's going to go. In the next step, what we're gonna do, we're gonna blend all the hair strands or hair strokes that we have created in layers. Make sure you are creating these in layers. So I'm just gonna go ahead layer by layer, make sure that I'm blending these out so they don't look this harsh. And while blending, you want to make sure you are blending it gently, because we don't want to lose the shape of the hair strand. That's what you want to make sure. Once you're happy with that, what you have to do is now again go back, pick up your brush, pick up a very lighter version of the color you chose. So in my case, I'm using even lighter yellow color, yellow orangish color, and I'm gonna be adding it in the middle part of this hair chunk. And after that, I'm gonna be adding white color, and I'm gonna make sure I'm not adding this white color throughout. I'm just making sure I'm just adding it just a little bit, as you guys can see in the video. If you are drawing darker hair, do not use white color, use some lighter version of the color that you're using for the hair. Now once that is done, do not worry about it being very perfect, because again, we're gonna go ahead and pick up our softer brush and just gonna blend it so that it does not look that harsh. And you guys can see it's already looking so good. For the finishing touches, what I do, I create a new layer at the bottom of every other layer that I already have. I pick up the same brush, decrease the opacity, and I add some hair strands around the edges of this hair chunk. So if you're creating a hairstyle, you're gonna add this around the hairstyle so that it looks, some hair are coming out of the whole hairstyle or the hair chunk, and it just to make it look that much more realistic. And this is a time when you actually add some final touches, as in if there is something or there is a part of the hair chunk or hairstyle which is still looking harsh, go ahead, go back, pick up your blending brush and blend it out. Now here I'm going to show you guys how the brush is actually looking when you create eyelashes. As you guys can see, I'm just creating eyelashes the way I usually do. So if you don't know how to draw eyelashes, I will link all the tutorials I have in the description down below. Go ahead and check it out, but it's really easy. You guys can see the eyelashes are looking amazing already, really good. That's what I wanted. That's the kind of brush I wanted to create eyelashes always. And the reason why it is looking so good is because just one stroke has so many hair strands that it just makes the whole eyelash look very fluffy, very realistic, and very natural at the same time. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up. Go ahead and download this brush for free, or this brush set for free. I have some blush stems as well in the brush set, and a brush for line art as well. Go ahead, use this brush set and create something amazing. Do not forget to tag me on Instagram. I would love to see that. Other than that, I will see you guys in my next video.